Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence is no longer a sci-fi fantasy. It's a reality that's changing the world as we know it. In this video, we will explore the wonders of AI and how it's transforming the way we live, work, and play. Let's start with the basics. What is AI? Simply put, it's a system that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence to accomplish. From recognizing speech and images to making decisions and even driving cars, AI is quickly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting applications of AI. They use sensors and machine learning algorithms to navigate the roads and make decisions in real time. Imagine being able to sit back, relax, and let your car do all the driving. It's no longer a dream, it's a reality. Another area where AI is making a huge impact is in manufacturing. Robots powered by AI can work tirelessly around the clock, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. They can perform tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans, making our workplaces safer and more productive. And let's not forget about virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These AI-powered assistants can help us with everything from scheduling appointments to ordering food. They're getting smarter every day, learning from our habits and preferences to provide us with a more personalized experience. AI is also transforming the healthcare industry. From diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments, AI is helping doctors and researchers make faster, more accurate decisions. It's even being used to monitor patients remotely, giving us a glimpse into the future of healthcare. What is Chat GPT? It's an artificial intelligence model that's been trained to understand and generate human-like language. It's capable of processing vast amounts of text and can generate responses that are not only accurate but also sound natural. One of the most exciting applications of Chat GPT is in chatbots. These AI-powered assistants can answer customer queries, make product recommendations, and even complete transactions. And with Chat GPT, the conversations feel more natural and human-like, making it easier for customers to engage with businesses. But chatbots are just the beginning. ChatGPT is also being used in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, where it can help understand complex commands and provide more personalized responses. It's making our interactions with machines more natural and intuitive, and it's all thanks to the power of language AI. And the best part is that ChatGPT is constantly evolving. As it's fed more data, it's getting smarter and more accurate, making it even better at understanding and generating language. It's a game-changer for the field of natural language processing and has the potential to transform the way we interact with machines. So, whether you're a business looking to improve customer interactions or a developer building the next generation of language AI, ChatGPT is a tool that you simply can't ignore. It's the future of language AI, and it's changing the game for natural language processing. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video as we continue to explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence.